Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel once again. I am going to talk to you about class Aves, means as you can see these are birds, different types of beaks, some filter feeding beaks, aerial fishing beaks, dip netting beaks, grey netting beaks, water shoveling beaks, mud probing beaks, coniferous seed eating beaks. You can see different types of beaks over here. Fruit eating, coniferous seed eating, aerial fishing, filter feeding, chiseling in woodpeckers, mud probing in avocet. These are the different patterns of beaks. This is all about birds, isn't it? So let's come to their characteristics. You know, the birds are known as glorified reptiles. Glorified reptiles were said by Huxley. Why? Because they have many reptilian features. In fact, the fossil bird Archaeopteryx lithographica, they had many similarities with the birds as well as with reptiles. In fact, they are the connecting links. So, we are going to study ornithology. Ornithology means study of birds, scientific study of birds, and nidology is the scientific study of their nests. Characteristics. Very easy. These are hollow pneumatic bones, very lightweight. The forelimbs are modified into wings because they have aerial adaptations. In order to make them fly, it is like that. They have synsacrum formed by the fusion of posterior thoracic, lumbar, sacral and anterior caudal vertebrae. Their sternum is large with keel for attachment of pectoral muscles. The posterior caudal vertebrae is fused to form a structure known as pygostyle. They have a high body temperature, much higher than the mammalian temperature, that is 40 to 44 degrees Celsius. Why? Due to their fast metabolism. Their RBC is nucleated and oval, unlike the mammals. They have three-chambered cloaca present, which serves as their urinogenital pathway. Number 9. The body is covered with feathers made up of keratin. There are many different kinds of feathers. Feather itself creates a branch of biology for studies. Now, the semi-solid urine with uric acid as the main nitro waste, so they are known as uricotelic organisms. Except uropygium, their preen gland, no other dermal glands are present. That also has some exception because ostrich and parrot do not have the preen glands. Lungs are spongy and inelastic. Voice is produced by a syrinx, that is just like our voice box, that is larynx, they have syrinx. Urinary bladder is absent except in rhea. They have a keen sense of sight due to the presence of pecten, but poor sense of smell except apteryx, means kiwi. Their pecten is for sharp vision. Just now I said it is present in each eye, just like a comb-like structure. The absence of bone marrow except in rock pigeon. The skull with a single occipital condyle, so monocondylic skull. Reduced renal portal system. Extra air sacs attached to the lungs for reservoirs of air and cooling device. 21st character. So many characters we have studied, isn't it? The beak is composed of keratin, consists of premaxilla bone and maxillary beak called rhinotheca. Their feathers are made up of beta keratin. The complex feathers are calamus that extends into the central rachis, which branches into barbs and then into barbules. Remiges are asymmetric wing feathers and rectrices are the tail feathers which help as steering during flight. Another kind of feathers is just like a hair, phyloplumes. They are just like mammalian whiskers. The largest bird is Truthiocamelus, that means ostrich, and the smallest bird is Melisuga, that is a bee hummingbird. The other orders of the birds are Ratiti, Carinati, and Impeni. Ratiti includes all non-flying birds like Struthio, just now I said, Struthio means ostrich, Casuarius means casuaries, Apteryx means kiwi. Casuarius is the world's most dangerous bird due to their dagger-like toes for offense. Carinati includes all the flying birds. As for example, Milvus migrans is the black kite, Bubo is owl, Columba livia is the pigeon, Sittacula is the parrot, Corvus is crow, and Pavo is the national bird of India, that is peacock. Impeni. All aquatic flightless birds are called impeni. Their forelimbs are used as flippers and they have webbed feet. For example, the great penguins like Aptenodytes. So this much for today, my dear friends. Please share this video to as many people as possible and kindly like and comment on my video. Thanks a lot.